everyone, hello. So in today's video I will be sharing skincare products that are under rupees 500, and I kind of post stuff similar to this. I post product reviews, recommendations and all of that. So if you feel that is something you might be interested in, then please consider subscribing to this channel. And without further delay, let us begin. The first product is from a brand called Nutri-Glow Naturals. It's English Rose Body Milk. So this is basically like a body lotion, and I really love the fragrance on this one, and the fragrance also kind of lasts for a few hours. So the MRP on this one is 275, and I think you get around 300 ml of product in here. I think I got this for very cheap. I got it around 190 or something. I got this one from Myntra when I was purchasing a few clothing items, and I saw this and I was like, wow, I like the packaging and I really needed a body lotion, and I'm glad that I picked this one up. Really love this, and I would highly recommend it if you love the smell of roses. The next product is this sunscreen from Requil. Now Requil has like 3 sunscreens if I'm not wrong. I particularly use this one. It's the oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. Not give me a white cast. It is like 50 SPF and it's PA+++. Does not break me out. A lot of sunscreen for some reason break me out, especially the ones that are a bit cheaper. Like almost about to finish it up. I only have like 1 or 2 uses left. That is how much I love this sunscreen. You need sunscreen every single day. So if you're looking out for a sunscreen, go check this out. I promise you will not regret buying this at all. Moving on to a lip balm. Okay, now everybody, I feel like by this point everybody knows my love for the Wadi lip balms. I've tried like so many lip balms, but nothing will come close to this. To be very honest, I purchased the lychee variant in this product for the very first time, and for some reason I feel the formulation is different on the strawberry one. I always used to get the strawberry one. I think I'll stick to the strawberry variant of it. For some reason I like that one more. I feel that's more nourishing on my lips, but this one is also good if you compare it to other lip balms. So if you're looking for a really cheap good lip balm, go check this one. So I want to talk about a product that I've completed, so I don't have it here, like I threw the bottle away. It's the Minimalist Toner. I cannot shut up about that toner. It's under rupees 500. It's great for your blackheads, and it also feels really great on your skin. It's a little hydrating on your face as well. It really helped me with the texture and the blackheads on my face a lot. So yes, I will highly recommend that you try that product out. If there's anything from this video that you feel like हाँ मैं इनमें से एक चीज तो खरीदूंगी ही, I feel you should go for the Minimalist Toner. You will love this. You'll literally thank me later for it. Last product is this face mask from Plum. So recently I have been shifting towards chemical exfoliants and whatnot, and I kind of forgot how great these normal mud mask and face masks were. I mean, these were also pretty good for your face, right? These days we are not talking as much about face masks that come in a packaging like this. You see people talking about sheet masks or you know, chemical exfoliating mask all the time. So it was really great to use a product like this once again. So first let me even tell you what the product is. This is from Plum. It's the green tea clear face mask. I keep this in the fridge and I really like applying it cold on my face. I've been breaking out a lot recently, and I think I might have found the culprit. I will update you on it, but anyway, this is the only thing that is helping me to keep my face a little calm, and it really helps with the breakout. I kind of use this as a spot treatment, and I either leave it overnight or I remove it after like 30 minutes or so, and the pimple is like reduced significantly. So yeah, I would highly recommend you this product if you are also breaking out, or in general it really like brightens up your skin and makes you feel kind of fresh. So definitely a yay for people with acne. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I really hope that you liked all the recommendation, and I have 2 similar videos like this where I recommend skincare products, but I feel this is the only one where I've recommended products that are this affordable. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and share it with a friend who you think might appreciate this, and also consider subscribing to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.